1995 Chevy 1500 5.7 liter V8. This one comes with a factory 3-inch converter in and out, then 3-inch pipe after, all the way there into 2.5. Then we put a glass pack on it. Either wanted too loud, too quiet, with a turn down right there. We haven't done one of those in a while, so we'll let you guys see it and hear it. Hope you guys like it. If you do like it, smash that like button. It helps us with the algorithms. You know how that goes. Keep supporting us so we can support you guys and keep putting videos on. That's how it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado. Oh, much better.
Yeah. Okay, here goes the power with that.
Go wrong with a glass pack. Give it again. Sound decibels. 102. Think? I like the sound of it. Sounds pretty good. Let me know in the comments and smash that like button. I hope so. Then we'll hear it. I like the sound of it. He's working on it. He just bought it yesterday. He's been working on, he put new tires, new rims,